Morning guys, what's up? Sunday, August 25th. A lot better weather than there was last week, that's for sure. I was supposed to fly last week, but the rain, it was like 4 inches of rain here, 8 inches of rain upstate, so cancel that one. Anyway, back today, look, 62 Victor Bravo. We're VFR this morning, not sure where I'm going to go. 2 airports in mind, 2 that I've never been to before, so we'll make a choice when we get out a little bit on the way. It's looking like it's going to be Ellenville, New York, over in a little bit upstate New York, so we'll take you over there. Anyhow, last flight was Blairstown, New Jersey. You might remember that one. A couple of problems on that flight. One, the audio was kind of in and out. I had to narrate the first half of the flight because the audio recorder didn't work. Sorted that out, figured that problem out. And the other one was the camera overheated. Now anyone that uses GoPro cameras know that sometimes they'll overheat, especially when you're flying. The cabin is all surrounded by glass, so things can get hot in there, even though Cirrus got nice air conditioning, but it overheats. So I went to the drawing board and I'm trying to figure out how to keep my GoPro cameras cool in the plane. Let me show you what I did. All right, let's see. I'll just show you. 2 of the cameras are not behaving, and they're the 2 that are not getting much of the direct airflow from the aircraft. So I'm just sit in here and I'll explain what the heck I did. It might be the dumbest idea I've ever seen, but anyway. All right, camera up here on the nose. As you can see, these diffusers down here, I use these to keep the iPad cool. These 2 down here are used to blow air back this way and cool those 2 down there. But the ones that are not behaving and prone to shutting off because they get overheated, and they get that beautiful message from GoPro saying your camera overheated, it's got to cool down before it'll record again, so blah blah blah. Anyway, this is what I built. Look, camera, backup charger, and look in here, I incorporated this little cooling fan into the mount. So all it's doing is taking air in here and blowing it up over the lens of the camera right there. Pretty cool. Battery operated. Just built it into the mount. I raised it up so there would be air. Sorry about that. I raised it up a little bit so the air would get in here. Hold on, let me get my little pointer here for you. So air could get in here. So it'd be drawn in this way, blown up here, blows over the lens of the camera here. Hopefully that's cooling down. This is a prototype. Right? So it just works like this. Listen. There's air just blowing right up across here. Battery operated. I tried it out at home. Works for about 4 hours without charging, maybe more. I left it on for 4 hours and it didn't go anywhere. The camera recorded 4K 30 frames a second for about I don't know, 3 hours. A lot more than I'll be flying in this. I won't be flying in here for 3 hours, but anyway. So that's one of the inventions I've come up with to cool down my GoPro camera. The other one is over here. Check this out. See this camera here? This one also was prone to closing down, overheating, because it's not getting any direct flow of air from over here in the diffuser. Well, that was until now. So I took my camera mount and I modified it. Added this little piece of blocking here, and I've added in here, look at this lock line tube. It's called lock line tube. You can see it in the camera stores. You get it in your selfie sticks and whatnot. It's called lock line tube anyway. So I built some lock line tube in through the camera housing down here, came out here, and now I'm just borrowing air from the diffuser in the aircraft. Okay, still air I'm going to use in the cabin, but first of all, it's been directed through this tube, up through the camera housing, out through this nozzle, and blowing air overhead the lens here. So hopefully it records in 4K 30 frames a second, nice and cool, keep us going, make you a nice video. So there's my 2 little inventions for today. The camera cooler, introducing it to you, see? Right there, all in one. Camera, backup charger, cooling system, bam, all in the one mount. See that? Thinking, right? Anyhow, let me just get on here for a second. That's the camera cooler. We're all set to go. Oh, God, back. We're all set to go. You're going to have to fly with me to see if it works. I don't even know if it's going to work. Trial flight, let's give it a go, alright? Come on, look. Let's try and catch up with that guy. Come on, let's go flying.
Republic Tower information, November, time 1153 Zulu weather. Wind calm, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 21, dew point 18, altimeter 3024. Visual approach and use landing and departing runway 1. Notice airmen, check notes for changes to instrument approaches effective now until further notice. Kennedy Airport.
Solo, this is taxi to active for 2 touch and goes and then a full stop. You do not need to run up.
3433 Republic ground. I have your request for the 2 touch and goes, and I'm sorry, you said you were at Atlantic or Echo?
At Atlantic.
433 taxi Bravo run up and then advise when done.
I do not need a Bravo run up. Do not need a run up at all. 433.
433 Roger, taxi runway 1 at Bravo 6, say Bravo.
Runway 1 at Bravo 6. Great, 433.
Public ground, Chris 12, do you guys want us to wait for jet? Hey Chris 12, you can just switch over to tower. Leave enough room in case we get the release, but we haven't gotten it just yet. We'll leave enough room and then we'll switch to tower, Chris 12.
Public ground, good morning, Cirrus 62 Victor Bravo, then the Alpha ramp information, November for taxis active, north departure.
52 Victor Bravo, public ground runway, northbound on request runway 1 at Golf 9, taxi via Delta Golf, crossway 32.
Delta Golf, cross 32 to runway 1, Golf 9er, 62 Victor Bravo. Yes. Okay.
Republic ground, Piper 727 Alpha
Flaps up.
At the echo ramp with information.
Radio set, altimeter, cabin heat's required, fan on, keeping them things nice and cool.
Taxi via Alpha, hold short of Papa, do the run up there, advise when done.
Nope.
Via Alpha, hold short of Papa, will advise you when the run up's done.
Feels like there's switch that over. Let's go flying. Cool. Good morning, guys. I was supposed to fly last weekend, but the weather just sat on top of us here for the whole day. It was like 9 inches of rain upstate. Actually in Oxford, Connecticut. I wanted to go to Oxford and do an approach, but the rain, Mother Nature had other ideas. So,
102 Whiskey.
push that off to today. Here we are.
Continue via Alpha
62 Victor Bravo. Just going over to, I'm planning on doing a VFR over to Ellenville, New York. See what the weather looks like out there. Kind of hazy, but they're calling for VFR. So. It's rough here. So yeah, back again.
102 Whiskey, traffic ahead should be moving here. They're also going to the echo ramp.
We have them. Thank you. No problem.
Delta Golf, cross 32. Here we go. Oh yeah. It's blowing some. 32. Yep. 14 is clear, 32 is clear, cross and over. Yeah, I was on that Blairstown flight, and probably a lot of you guys know that use GoPro that they tend to overheat when you're recording in 4K. So there's my idea. Let's see if this works. If not, we'll go back to the drawing board again. Okay, Ellenville, New York it is. If there's any changes, we'll let you know during the flight, right? See you at the other side of the before takeoff checklist. Sit tight. Let's go flying. Sunday, we're back again. Here we go. And Republic ground from 62 Victor Bravo.
262 Victor Bravo ground.
Over here at the run-up block. Is it Ceres 2285 Delta? Is he with an IFR? Can I just jump ahead of him?
2 Victor Bravo. We're still waiting on their release, so you can pull up the Golf 9 and contact tower.
Okay, thank you. I just didn't want to cut him off. Appreciate it.
Republic ground, Equus 12, clear of runway 1, Bravo 4, at back to the active.
Acres 12 Republic ground, taxi runway 1 at Bravo 6 via Bravo.
Shoot runway 1 via Bravo, Acres 12. Republic ground, Archer 214 and 2 is at the Echo ramp with November. We're going to taxi to the active, departure to the northeast.
Ray Fox Delta, you can hold short of Golf 9 behind the Sears ahead of you.
Hey, Foxtrot Delta, holding short on Golf 9 behind the Sears.
Over Tower, good morning. Series 62 Victor Bravo, short of runway 1, Golf 9 are ready to go.
Archer 7 Alpha Charlie, southeast approved, runway 1, Bravo 6, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 7 Alpha Charlie.
Series 60 Victor Bravo, tower, hold short.
Hold short, 6 Victor Bravo.
Is that guy getting off on runway 7 Alpha Charlie? Okay, copy that. Clear for takeoff, 7 Alpha Charlie.
The upwardly they got off.
Say that again?
Nothing, I was just making a dumb joke. I got the joke. Runway 1, Golf 9, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 1, 62 Victor Bravo. Booster, mixture, flaps 50, lights are on, here we go.
Sears 8 Foxtrot Delta, it's going to be a new departure frequency for you, 135.9.
1359, Foxtrot Delta, thank you.
Sears 2 Victor Bravo, northbound approved, wind column, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Go off runway 1, cover the wind, 62 Victor Bravo.
Sears 8 Fox Delta, runway 1, Golf 9, line up
2,
and wait.
3,
Wait on 1, Foxtrot Delta.
4,
Viper Force 3, I'll call your base.
5. Full power set. Wheels on the floor. Airspeed's up and alive. Engine's looking good. In the green. 55. 60. 65. 70. Rotate.
Sears 2 Victor Bravo, you going northeast or northwest?
Northport stacks initially and then northwestbound.
Roger, thank you. Sears 8 Fox Delta, maintain 2000, wind column, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Hey, Foxtrot Delta, clear for takeoff, runway 1, 2000, thank you.
423, turn base.
Turn to base 423.
Who's up next to Bravo 6?
Republic Tower, Equus 12, holding short, runway 1, Bravo 6, ready to take off.
Acres 12, runway 1, Bravo 6, line up and wait, traffic 1.5 miles base.
Line up and wait, Equus 12.
600.
Above 90. Flaps up. Caps available.
Acres 12, left traffic, wind column, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Left traffic.
There's the big Emirates. 380. Heading into JFK.
3, runway 1, clear touch and go.
You're going to see him in a minute.
Republic Tower, Piper November 38577, holding short of
Very soupy out here today.
requesting a north departure.
Piper 38577, Public Tower, hold short of runway 1.
We'll continue holding short of runway 1, 577.
Good.
Air Republic Tower, Medevac 97 November Hotel, holding short of 32.
Hey, climb power set, flaps are up, mixture's fully rich, engine looking good in the green.
Hold short of 32, Medevac.
Boost pumps on in the climb. Climb checklist complete.
Number 8 Foxtrot Delta, contact departure.
Foxtrot to departure, thank you.
Piper 423, switch it to right traffic.
Right traffic, 433.
And Icarus 12, same for you, right traffic.
Traffic for Icarus 12.
8 Fox Delta, contact departure. Three Sierra Papa, turn base now.
Turn base for runway 1.
We're 3 Lima Yankee, pull speed back 10 knots.
Full speed back, 10 knots, 3 Lima Yankee.
Piper 38577, runway 1, Bravo 6, clear for takeoff, northbound approved, wind calm.
Cleared for takeoff, northbound, runway 1, 577.
For 3 Sierra Papa, runway 1, cleared touch and go.
4 Sierra Pop, cleared for runway 1, touch and go.
Cessna 3 Lima Yankee, traffic is 12 o'clock in a mile, join and final Cessna.
We got traffic inside 733 Lima Yankee.
Lima Yankee, follow Cessna, and if you need an S turns approved, runway 1, cleared touch and go, they're also a touch and go.
Alright, we'll do a next turn, runway 1, clear touch and go, 3 Lima Yankee.
For 3 Sierra Papa, make right traffic.
Is that for 422 Sierra Pop?
Yes, 3 Sierra Papa, right traffic.
Right traffic after the touch and go, 422 Sierra Pop.
6 to Victor Bravo for frequency change.
2 Victor Bravo for exchange approved.
Change approved, thanks, bye-bye.
Altitude.
Brickyard 4498 heading 310.
310, Brickyard 4498. If we're going up to 4,500, we see the slike up there. I don't think it's going to be any better.
Pitch 390, maintain 5,000. Brickyard 4498,
Yeah.
maintain 15,000.
I think it's a change of plans today. A bit hazy. Go to 3,500. Bring it down to autopilot.
Pitch 390, maintain 7,000. Turn left heading 220.
Departure Moxie 404 is 2,000 for 3,000, heading of 295 on the SID.
Pitch 390, 220 heading, maintain 7,000. Moxie 4040,
yes.
airport contact, maintain 11,000.
11,000, Moxie 404.
Brickyard 4498.
Let that speed build up a little bit. Yeah, it is hazy out there.
1817, Brickyard 4498.
Let's just go to West Hampton Beach, get breakfast, and then come back home.
Departure number 5160, climbing out of 1400 for 5,000, heading 355.
Denver 5160, New York radar contact. Moxie 404 heading 360.
Yeah, it's a bit hazy out there.
Pitch 390, traffic so if you left.
Be going into the mountains and that.
7500 BFR.
Change of plan. Go out east a little bit. Go over this way.
Moxie 404 heading 360.
Yes, we called heading, we're turning to 360 now, Moxie 404.
Thank you, I'm sorry, get that to you, ready?
That's okay, no worries.
Jet 390, the traffic no factor, climb to 12,000. Endeavor 5160 on.
Sorry, Endeavor 5160.
Thank you, radar contact, climb maintain 6,000, confirm leaving 3,200.
6,000, we are out of 3,400 now.
Thank you. Moxie 404 heading 090.
Heading 090, Moxie 404.
791 Papa Sierra, approach 12407.
2407, 791 Papa Sierra.
Oh yeah. Oh baby, we're working. Working. So I got the fan on power number 2. I got these pretty much wide open, and I'm still getting nice airflow over the lens here. Running a couple of tests today. Let's call this guy up for advisories eastbound. 25, right?
Denver 5160.
outside the Charlie there. Send it there. Beautiful. Yeah, it just looks a little bit too hazy over there. And Ellenville is surrounded in hills and kind of mountainous area. So need a little bit of a clearer day for that. It's a non-towered field. I don't think there's an approach in there. I didn't really look at it. I looked at it VFR stuff, but I didn't look as far as IFR is concerned. So we'll head out east. Alright, is that okay with you? Head out east, we'll stop at the diner at Westhampton Beach, and then we'll put a flight plan in here, and then we'll come back on home.
JJ919, JJ919, you expect that with the next controller. Roger.
Vehicle person Relay 70 Mike Alpha with you, 1000 for 2000, heading 180.
Alright, 70 Mike Alpha, near departure, radar contact. You're in Bravo object, expect clearance in about 5 miles. Accept 919, turn left and 270.
270, accept 919.
This works. I can never get this to work.
And Eagle Pro 0 Mike Alpha, we'd like to request the RNAV 1 in Republic.
This to AM 314, your departure I-10, climb and maintain 10,000.
Just pump this off. Power set, mixtures required, we'll leave it rich for the moment.
5,
Your parameters looking good there.
24 contact, tower 125.3.
Fuel flow, keep an eye on those, thanks.
This AM 314, radar contact to southwest of Westhampton Airport. Accept 919, contact near approach 135.9.
35-9, good day, accept 919.
November 0 Mike Alpha, proceed direct to Woolwich.
Direct to Woolwich, 0 Mike Alpha.
This AM 314, turn left and go 180.
Good morning, New York approach. This time it's Star November 791 Papa Sierra, level 5,500 with information Lima at islip.
Diamond 791 Papa Sierra near Perch, ice spot, altimeter 3024, turn 10 degrees left.
Say again for the second part after the altimeter 3024 for 791 Papa Sierra.
1 Papa Sierra, turn 10 degrees left.
10 degrees left, 791 Papa Sierra.
Give him a call just to keep an eye on him. And New York approach, good morning, Cirrus 62, Victor Bravo.
This AM 314, turn right, direct 30, contact Boston Center, 135.8. Last calling on entry, go ahead.
Good morning, sir. It's Cirrus 62, Victor Bravo, Cirrus SR20, 3,500 on about 10 north of Islip. Looking for advisories along the North Shore, final destination, Fox Oscar Kilo.
Cirrus 62, Victor Bravo, squawk 4376.
4376, 62, Victor Bravo.
Number 0 Mike Alpha, maintain 2000, maintain VFR.
Maintain 2000, maintain VFR, 0 Mike Alpha.
7 Alpha Charlie, maintain at or above 2,500.
Maintain at or above 2,500, 7 Charlie.
62 Victor Bravo, radar contact, ice altimeter 3024.
Alright, 3024, 6 Victor Bravo.
Skyline 2 Alpha Mike, contact New York approach 124.07.
2407 for 1H Alpha Mike, have a good day.
See ya.
Alright. The info for
direct the airport for right downwind runway 24.
Direct the field for right downwind 24, 791 Papa Sierra.
At 36052, maintain at or above 2,500 for traffic, catch underneath.
Average up 2,000, is that the at or above 2,500?
Francis at Skibresky Airport. Automated weather observation 1153 Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 20 Celsius. Dew point 18 Celsius. Altimeter 3025. Remarks. Density altitude 300.
November 282 Mike Tango, radar search terminated, squawk 1200, frequency change approved.
Bono, Adam, Larry, Ed. Sharing the music they make and the music they love.
870 Mike Alpha, traffic 12 o'clock, 2 miles, maneuvering 2,900 is a Cherokee. Additional traffic 1 o'clock, 3 miles, maneuvering 2,800 Cherokee.
Deliver both those targets there, Mike Alpha.
36052 traffic, mile east of your position, maneuvering 2,800 Cherokee. Additional traffic 2 miles northeast of your position, southwestbound, level 2,000 Cherokee. Number 36052 near approach.
36052.
052 traffic, mile east of your position, maneuvering 2,800 Cherokee.
Looking for traffic, 052, and we're looking to head back to Republic in a minute. If we can just get a punch out, it'd be great.
Mike Alpha, Christian, November 36052, roger, radar search terminated, squawk 1200, frequency change approved.
Squawk be far, frequency change approved, 052, see ya.
Diamond 1 Papa Sierra, contact New York approach, correction, contact ISO Tower 119.3,
19.3, 791 Papa Sierra, good day.
See ya.
Hansa 128 for Papa 3000.
Phenom 337 Hotel Charlie, near departure ident, common maintain 8,000. November 128 for Pop, near approach, ISO altimeter 3024.
3024, each for Pop, thank you.
November 7 Hotel Charlie, radar contact, turn right, heading 290. November 6 Echo Sierra, change to my frequency 120.05, 2005. Cherokee 0 Mike Alpha, contact New York approach 125.7.
170 Mike Alpha.
Phenom 7 Hotel Charlie, change to my frequency 120.05, 2005.
And 6 Echo Sierra's back with you, 4500.
6 Echo Sierra, roger. Number 7 Hotel Charlie, roger. Archer 21412 near approach, go ahead.
Archer 21412 is 1600 over the Northport Stacks, request flight following to Go Fox in November.
Number 21412, squawk 4371.
Roger, 4371, Archer 21412.
November 36052, still here, squawk 1200, frequency change approved. 21412, radar contact, ISO altimeter 3024.
Roger, 3024, Archer 21412.
7 Alpha Charlie with like altitude our discretion.
7 Alpha Charlie, altitude is your discretion.
Altitude our discretion, 7 Alpha Charlie.
And approach from 62 Victor Bravo.
62 Victor Bravo, New York, go ahead.
The weather at Gabreski, is there any chance of getting the ILS 24? Full stop.
Roger, channel velocity 090, vectors to the ILS 24, maintain VFR.
090 the heading, vector for the ILS 24, 6 Victor Bravo, thanks.
2 Victor Bravo, how the approach terminate? Will this be a full stop?
Yes, sir.
Roger. Sirius 62 Victor Bravo, change to my frequency 125.907.
2597, 6 Victor Bravo. And approach 6 Victor Bravo, switch on 2597.
Sirius 2 Victor Bravo, Roger, descend to maintain 2000, maintain VFR.
Down to 2000, maintain VFR, 6 Victor Bravo. There we go. Okay, descent checklist, altimeter set 3025, it is there. 25, Kevin needs required, landing lights coming on. Fuel system's good on the right tank. We're on the left tank, burning some off the left. Left looks good, mixture's fully rich. Brake pressure is good. Before landing to go. Just brief this real quick. Brief this real quick.
Charlie, unfortunately unable with me. Turn off heading 270. Expect
Okay, 111.7, I see it on nav 1 and nav 2. Inbound course 236, runways 9,000. Touchdown zone 66, airport elevation 66, circle to land 15, not available at night. Lights, we got him. Missed approach, climbing to 800. Climbing right turn to 2000, back to Calverton and hold. Getting to Calverton, direct entry puts us in the hole there. We have the weather, we're talking to approach 2597. Tower's coming up next at us, 25.3, so we'll set that up here. 25.3. There it is. Ground, I don't think we need it this morning. If we do, it's on 21.8. Let's put it downstairs. 21.8 down here. There it is there. 21.8, okay. Plus the ILS 24. Inbound, we should pick up the glide path at Spree at 1500. All the way down, straight in ILS Mins 266. So we'll set the Mins in down here. Go down here, Barrow Mins 266. So we'll set them at 300. 266, 270. That's fine, there it is. Ready for the approach. I see the airport over there, but might as well, we have time.
7 Hotel Charlie, contact.
We have time, so we'll use it. Okay, very good.
Thanks.
Cool. Now we can go ahead and activate Vector to the final because he's given us vectors. There it is. Got our inbound course right here. Beautiful.
Sirius 2 Victor Bravo, traffic 11 o'clock, 5 miles westbound, altitude indicates 2,500.
Looking 6 for the Bravo. Have him on TCAS.
Number 84 Papa, radar search terminated, 1200, frequency change acres. See ya.
That it took there. There he is. What's he got? He's about 3 miles away from us now. Let's see, where is he? 2005.
Saratoga 964 Lima Juliet near Spur Type altimeter 3024.
2000's capture, there it is. Back in with the power. There he is. Got him. 6 Victor Bravo, how's that traffic in sight?
Roger.
what's that? 2 miles away from me. Okay, there he goes. %, power is good. Nine nine 9934 Quebec. That's him. That's
Sirius 2 Victor Bravo, turn right, heading 150.
150, 6 Victor Bravo.
New York approach, Flexjet 364, level 5.
Flexjet 364, near approach, I spot altimeter 3024, expect visual first runway 28.
Expect visual 28, 3024, Flexjet 364.
Sirius 2 Victor Bravo, turn right, and 210, intercept localizer.
210 to join the loc, 6 Victor Bravo.
November 21412, traffic, 12 o'clock, 3 miles westbound, 4,500 is a Centurion, 10 degrees right. RC 21412, 10 degrees right. 6 Echo Sierra, traffic, 11 o'clock, 3 miles westbound, Cherokee, 4,500, 10 degrees right.
That stuff is here.
So 6 Echo Sierra, Roger, altitude is your distress, got additional traffic then, 12 o'clock, 3 miles eastbound, altitude indicates 2,700.
Join the loc.
Sirius 2 Victor Bravo, 5 miles, 3, clear to ILS 22 for first contact, West Hampton Tower, 125.3.
Okay, clear for the approach 24 over the tower, 25.3, 6 Victor Bravo, thank you.
128 for Papa can go straight to base.
Okay. Back in the race.
284 Papa, join it down when you're following the Cirrus. It's about 6 miles out.
1 dot above, first notch goes in, 1 1000,
Okay,
2
after the
1000,
Cirrus through down.
3 1000. Gabreski Tower, good morning. Cirrus 62 Victor Bravo is on the ILS 24.
Cirrus 62 Victor Bravo, Gabreski Tower, runway 24, clear to lane.
Switzerland 246 Victor Bravo. 62 Victor Bravo. Okay. Side slope is captured. Down we go. Now we're descending before landing. Checklist, please. Seatbelt secure, boost pump is on. Mixture's full rich. Flaps 50%. There they are, out the window. Autopilot still engaged. Before landing. Checklist complete. %, on the power. At 90 knots, let we leak. There it is.
For Papa stretching the downwind to see the Cirrus.
84 Papa, roger.
Good.
Have the Cirrus inside, 84 Papa.
84 Papa, okay, number 2, clear to lane.
Clear to lane number 2 to 24, 84 Papa.
1000 for 270. Good. Gas.
19 Echo, make a left 360, call back on the downwind.
We'll make a left 360 and call you back on the downwind. 2119 Echo.
Under. 700 or 270. Okay, fuel inside, autopilot's away. Full flaps going in, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000. Follow that glide path all the way down.
500.
Checks, gas, undercarriage, mixture, props, all switches. Booster, mixture, flaps, and lights are on. 2-4, clear to land. Follow that glide path all the way home. Good.
Minimums.
Continue.
Tower November 2119 Echo is on the downwind again.
19 Echo, thank
Fly
you.
up the
Number
field a
3,
bit.
following traffic, just a little more than a mile out.
We're number 3 and we're still looking for that traffic, 19 Echo.
Bring it up the field a bit. Feet of runway left. Slowly out.
Two Victor Bravo, you come to the main ramp?
Yes, sir, go on the restaurant.
Right, do me a favor, turn around on November, cross 19, cross 15, whiskey to the ramp.
Okay, right November. 6-2 Victor Bravo.
84 Papa, clear to land.
Clear to land, thank you for that.
No problem.
19 Echo, right close traffic approved, runway 24, clear touch and go.
Oh yeah.
2119 Echo, can we just make this a low approach?
19 Echo, I'm sorry, you're clear for the option, still right close.
Line off. Transponder
Clear for the
moves to
option, right
standby.
close. Thanks, 19 Echo.
Rescue Tower, Twin Cessna 55 Bravo.
Cessna 55 Bravo, Gabreski Tower.
November cross
Over
19,
Cessna
I got
310,
you.
we're currently 9 miles to the northwest landing.
Cessna 55 Bravo, runway 24, call right downwind.
Right downwind 24, 55 Bravo.
Okay. Even though I got it done ahead of myself. After landing. 4,000, looking good. Boost pump off, flaps are up.
Cheers, 980 Mike Lima ground.
Transponder goes to standby.
00 Mike Lima.
Landing lights off. Heat of heat not required.
Let's do runway 6 with
After
you. Thanks,
landing, checklist complete. Turn on the AC. Are we looking here? Are we still recording? Yeah, look at that. Amazing what a little wind will do. Just move that hot air. That's all you gotta do. Move it out of the way. How are we looking here? The light's still flashing.
Whiskey Tower, Saratoga 964, Lima Juliet 15 to the northwest, descending at a 3,500
Taxi
landing.
guidance. We're gonna fly IFR out of here, I think.
Tower, runway 24,
Go back home. We'll go to the diner, get a little breakfast, and then we'll
traffic for Lima Juliet.
we'll make our way home. We clear this across 19er. And tower just confirm I cleared across 19er.
Cross 19, 84 Pop.
It was not 84 Pop, it was the Cirrus, I think.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. 62 Victor Bravo, cross 19 and 15.
Okay, cross 19er and runway 15. Thank you. 62 Victor Bravo.
Tower, Cirrus 980 Mike Lima is ready to go, runway 6.
Cirrus 980 Mike Lima, Gabreski Tower, hold short.
Hold short, 0 Mike Lima.
Wow, look at all the
Mike
jets
Lima,
here.
what's your own course?
My goodness. Way out of my
Cirrus
league
0
here.
Mike Lima, what's your own course?
Oh, sorry about that. We'll be heading to the north.
Very good.
Whiskey on the other side. There it is.
Tow ground.
Amazing. The safe taxi is great.
Southbound and whiskey.
Especially at unfamiliar airports. You just follow the little follow the, I'm sort of familiar with this place, but...
It says 55 Brown, flighting 100, it's a vector for your sequence.
100, 55 Bravo.
What's going on in the Hamptons today? what am I missing out on here?
Tower, Flexjet 351.
Look at this.
Visual 24.
Exit 351, number 2, continue.
Number 2, continue, Flexjet 351.
I got any room for Uncle Aiden?
Bud?
Hey, how you doing?
Good.
I can help you push it back a little bit.
Okay, yeah, it's no problem. I got it.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Yeah,
it's a bit tight for space here. I don't know. I didn't want to come in that way in case there was no parking over here.
Everybody's coming out here.
I know, right? Crazy. Thank you. Appreciate it. Wow, it is busy.